guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I dyed my hair to achieve this hair color. You guys have been asking me a lot on Instagram, so I just wanted to show you what I did. So first I'm going to go in with the BW2 bleach, and then we're going to go with 40 volume developer. You're going to need gloves and a mixing bowl and dyeing, like the dyeing spatula type brush thing. Yeah. So this hair is from Eullair hair. It's a wig. I made it into a wig. So it's a 20-inch frontal, and I believe either 28-inch bundles or 26-inch bundles, and it's 4 bundles in a frontal. Yeah, that's my standard, and I just like constructed into a wig. I sewn it myself. Still learning how to do wigs better, but I'm just showing you what I did, like how the construction was. So yeah, then I'm gonna put this on a mannequin head, and I would suggest you get a stand, but I don't have one, so yeah. Basically, I'm gonna brush out the frontal and pin the hair in place so that we can see where I wanna dye the hair. And then I'm gonna part it in the middle, or what I thought was the middle. It's actually the side, but it's okay, because I didn't have a stand, so I couldn't really see that well. Yeah, just to see the front parts, the pieces that I want it to be the blondest, and I'm going to set that aside and clip them. Then I'm gonna take the bleach and I'm gonna start basically getting it prepared. So I took a lot of bleach. Honestly, you're just gonna need heck of bleach for this whole process. So yeah. Also, a tip: get your bleach from like Walmart and order it online because it's way cheaper. Like this whole bucket I think was like $15, and at the beauty supply store it's like $30, $45. So for like even like the littler ones, so no thanks. But yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and start bleaching it and painting it on. Honestly, I have no process. Not a hairstylist, just a college student, just trying to change up her hair. So literally that's what I did. I just started slapping on the bleach everywhere from the root and down to the tips, and then I wanted to saturate it very, very much. So yeah, I just make sure I got every part. And then I'm just gonna go in and randomly pick pieces out of the hair and start to bleach them. So there was literally no method to this. I just thought like some parts are gonna be more blonde, some parts are gonna be more brown. So yeah, I just honestly took bigger pieces, smaller pieces, and just went all over the head just so I can get like highlights in the hair and to make it look really nice and pretty. Yeah, so I don't know. I would just suggest if you have like another method, maybe section the hair and then decide where you want to put them. But I don't really have a wig stand, so I was just going in, because the wig head was just moving everywhere, so it was kind of hard for me. But yeah, you can see this section is like way bigger than the other two that I just did. So just go in and start bleaching. And make sure you wear gloves with this because you don't want any like those chemicals to be on your hands and stuff like that. Also, I went in with only the front part to put the foil on because I know when you put foil, it dyes quicker and bleaches very fast. So, and I want that to be the lightest part. So yeah, that's why I did that only to the front part. And then I just went in and just kept going, kept bleaching everything. If you guys have any other questions like about like the process, just ask me down below and I'll try to get to it as quick as possible.
We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse was 40 a war show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also. Young kitty dying on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So that we can live on this shit, just did it. Interview for 5 minutes. That's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just feel it.
So you're gonna keep going with this process, and then it's gonna start like looking, you're gonna start seeing some parts dye more, and you're just gonna keep like going. Make sure you get the back parts. You don't want any like missing like highlighted areas. Like you want to make sure you didn't just miss a whole patch of your hair that you didn't put any highlights in. So yeah, and then basically it looked like this, like after I finished, like I don't know, after I thought I was satisfied with the bleaching, and I just went and washed it with conditioner, and this is how it looked when I let it air dry. This is the next day, but it was just a little bit too first brassy and like not enough blonde patches. Like I felt like it was still some black parts. You could have left it like this, but I just wasn't satisfied, so I went in again and I bleached it again. Just like mainly on the black parts and like the back area where I felt like I didn't really get to it. And this time I didn't do it on a wig head because there was a lot of parts that were already dyed, so I didn't feel like I needed it on a wig head, just like to make it perfected. I just went in and like randomly picked the blacker parts and I bleached them again, and I left it on for 45 minutes. First time I left it on for 45 minutes, like to an hour, and this time I left it on for like 45 minutes, just like 45 minutes, not even an hour. So yeah, and yeah, once you do that, then I went in and washed it with the conditioner again. I used the Aussie Moist line, and I also toned the hair. I used a Eullair toner, and basically I just used the 40 volume developer in the toner, and I just went mainly in the front part of the hair and like saturated all of the hair, and it turned purple, so I turned it like about 30 to 45 minutes and kept the toner on, and then I just went in and washed it out again. So yeah, and then I let it air dry and blow dried the hair and straightened it, and that's like the look that you saw me have. But yeah, I actually really love this hair. If you guys want to check out the links to the hair, it's down below. It's from Eullair hair. The hair is still actually really soft. I'm like so impressed. Like I bleached it twice, I toned it, and still very, very nice. So I would suggest the hair down below. And yeah, this is the toner I use, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was very, very requested, so I hope you guys really do like it. Please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media links. They'll also be down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Love you so much. Bye.
We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.